Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make your following list private on Instagram. So in this video I'll show you two ways how you can do so. So the first one, I think the most common and everybody will know, but I will show you. So you just need to press on your profile, then you need to go to three horizontal lines on the top right, then you need to look for account privacy, and then you need to select private account and change it to private. With this, basically your followers will see what you're following, but new people will not. So this is the easiest method that you can use. You need to press on three horizontal lines again. Then you need to scroll down until you see as you can see, help. Press on help. Then press on report a problem, not ask for support assistance. Then you need to press report problem without shaking, and then press include and continue. And you need to write something along these lines. Hey, I want to make my following list private, but I want to keep my account public. And then you just need to send a report here. So with this, you just need to wait until they contact you. And also you can get a live support assistant, but it will be paid. So you need to go to a account center here, and then you need to go to a get Instagram Plus here, and then you can chat with a support. Not Instagram Plus, but you need to go to subscriptions and then Meta Verified here and get a Meta Verified, and you can chat with the support, and then you can ask basically real people how you can change it. So that's pretty much it.